Hello viewers, I have received a new update, that is iPadOS 26.1 public beta 4 update. In my last update, that is beta 3, I have been encountering battery drainage issue, though there is no heating issue, but battery was draining out very fast and some other issues were there. So Apple has pushed a new update. The size of this update is 3.61 GB. I will install this update on my iPad 10th generation and tell you about screen flickering issue, battery drainage issue and any other issue was there or not. So if you are using the stable version of iPadOS 26.0.1, don't update to the latest version as of now. Now let me go into the storage scenario so that you can see by yourself. iPadOS and system data, as you can see, iPadOS is 12.42 GB and system data is around 24 GB. So finally I have updated my iPad 10th generation to the latest beta version of iPadOS 26.1 beta 4. Let me check the screen first. As you can see here, there is no problem. There is no screen flickering or any other screen burn issue after this update. So definitely in terms of screen quality, you can definitely update. You can play 4K 60 FPS videos. Let me play 4K 60 FPS videos so that you understand how it performs in 4K 60 FPS. The display seems to be as responsive as it was before, so there is no lag or hiccups after this update. So I think this is a stable update for the beta users. If I go into the wallpaper section, there is no new wallpaper. All the wallpapers were previously available, as you can see here. As I have just installed the latest public beta version, I cannot tell you about the battery performance or the drainage issue, so you have to wait for few days to know about the battery drainage issue and heating issue. So if you are a normal user, in that case don't update to the beta version, and if you still want to use the beta updates, you have to wait for few days till my final review of iPadOS 26.1 beta 4 review comes out. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.